A calendar changes its date every day. Most days pass quietly, unnoticed, but sometimes a single date holds a decision that can change everything. Not a big choice, not a planned moment, just one simple act at the right time. This is the story of a boy, a stranger, and one small decision worth only 500 rupees. That decision would change a life forever. Rohit was born into a very poor family. When he was only 6, his mother passed away. From that day, it was just him and his father. Life became hard, but they faced it together. His father worked long hours in a steel factory. The pay was low and the work was tiring. Still, he made sure Rohit went to school. Many nights, his father ate less so that Rohit could eat more. Many months, he saved every rupee to pay Rohit's school fees. By the age of 13, Rohit had grown up too fast. He woke up early, cooked simple food, cleaned the house, and then went to school. Life was hard, but neither of them complained. They believed that quiet effort and love could carry them through even the toughest days. One day, Rohit's father had a terrible accident at the factory. A heavy piece of iron fell on his hands. The injury was so bad that doctors had to cut off both hands. When he returned home after months in the hospital, he was broken. He felt hopeless. "I lost your mother," he said softly, "and now I have lost my hands. I only wanted to see you become a doctor." Rohit held his father close. He whispered, "Don't worry, father. Your dream is still alive. I will become a doctor, no matter how hard it gets." That day, Rohit made a promise to himself. No matter what life took from him, he would never give up on his father's dream. From that day, Rohit stopped depending on life to be kind. He studied early in the morning and went to school during the day. After school, he walked from house to house selling soap. Some days he earned a little, some days he earned nothing. Weekends were not for rest, they were for survival. Every day was a test of patience and effort. One evening, after selling nothing all day, Rohit felt weak and hungry. That night was important. It was the last day to submit his college admission form. Without money, his dream stood at the edge of failure. Still, he did not give up. He walked to one last house, hoping for a miracle. A kind woman opened the door. She saw Rohit's tired face and red eyes. She did not ask questions first. She gave him biscuits and water, then she listened. Rohit spoke softly. "I need 500 rupees to pay my college admission fee. I have no money, and today I could not sell any soap." The woman went inside for a moment. She could have said no. She could have closed the door, but she chose to help. She returned with the money. "Take this," she said. "Go and fill your form." That small act of kindness changed Rohit's life. It was not just money. It was a chance, a future, and a dream kept alive. Years passed. Rohit studied hard and worked even harder. Failures came, but he never gave up. Slowly, his dream became real. He became a doctor. Later, he opened his own nursing home. His father watched quietly, tears in his eyes, proud of his son's success. Life had not become easy, but because someone had made one simple decision long ago, Rohit's future had changed. That small act of kindness had created a ripple, shaping everything that followed. Rohit never forgot that day. He never forgot the woman who chose to believe in him. One evening, an old woman was brought to Rohit's hospital. She was very sick, with no family and no money. The staff hesitated. Her treatment would be expensive. Rohit said calmly, "Admit her." money is not more important than life. For 2 months, she received the best care. Day and night, Rohit and his team worked to help her recover. Slowly, she got stronger. On the day she was ready to go home, a nurse handed her an envelope. Her hands shook as she opened it. There was no bill, only a note. Your treatment was paid long ago. With 500 rupees you once gave to a boy selling soap, that boy is now your doctor. Tears filled her eyes. Rohit entered the room and smiled gently. That day, he said softly, you didn't just help a boy, you helped create a future. The woman wept, not from sadness, but from the power of one simple decision. Some decisions seem small when you make them, but time shows their true power. Kindness can change a life even years later. What small choice can you make today that could shape someone's future? If this story inspired you, like the video, share it, and subscribe for more emotional and motivational English learning stories. Every small act, even watching and sharing, can help spread kindness and hope. Remember, sometimes one decision is enough to change the world.